Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my no makeup routine. This is usually my go-to makeup routine every single day. If I do wear makeup, most of the time I don't. I kind of just put some clear brow gel on my eyebrows and mascara and then I'm out the door. But lately, even in the winter, I wear this makeup routine and a lot of people tell me that I look very sun-kissed and very glowy. It's super affordable, it's super easy and super achievable, and honestly it takes maybe 10 minutes. If you guys do not follow me on Instagram, I'm gonna put it on the screen for you and down below. I would love to connect with you guys on there. I've connected with a lot of my YouTube friends already. I freaking love the community here. And if you guys are not subscribed, if you're new, definitely subscribe because I have so much more content coming your way. I literally bought a notebook to keep myself organized, so I have all my video ideas in here. You know your girl loves to talk a lot. So without further ado, let's get on into the video. Alright, so I zoomed you guys in a little bit closer so you guys are able to see more detailed of what I'm doing. I have my mirror here on the side, so if I do tend to look to the side, that's why. So the first thing I do is prime my lips with my Aquaphor chapstick. This thing is super affordable. I buy them in packs of 2 and I buy like 3 packs. It has no taste, it does a job, super inexpensive. You could use any other chapstick or you could use a lip mask, whatever you feel, but like you know, I am frugal AF, so I'm good with the chapstick. Now the skin is the highlight of this makeup routine, so you want to make sure your skin is nice and hydrated and glowy. I actually don't use this product that I'm about to mention right now in the winter. I've only been using it now this summer. I just tried it out for the first time a few days ago. So far so good. This is the elfcosmetics Sun-Kissed Booster Drops, and you put it on clean, dry skin. You can add it into any foundation, liquid or cream, and it says it's a lasting golden tone within 2 to 3 days, enriched with argan oil to nourish the skin. So I'm only using this right now because I did get a little bit of color. Unfortunately on camera you can't really tell, but yeah. I also wash my face a lot, so when you wash your face, you know, like the tan goes away a little bit. So I felt like, you know, while my body's tan, I want my face to be as tan as possible too, to match. Even though that's hydrating enough, I do go in with my e.l.f. All the Feels facial oil. I stand by this oil so much. This is my second bottle and a little bit goes a long way. I do have oily skin, so for my oily skin girls, I think oil is the best moisturizer rather than cream, just because, I don't know, I just feel like my skin likes it more. It feels really nice. You see already, it's already glowy and I didn't even do anything. That's just my skin. So skincare is super important, and the products that you use, these 2 oils, I don't know, I just feel like my skin loves it. So crazy. This is so crazy. I'm so proud of myself. It took me a long time to get a skincare routine that would do this. So after you've already moisturized and primed your face, we're not going to use a primer here. It's all about the skin. You don't want to clog it up. You want it to be as freeing as possible. So I don't use concealer. I do use foundation. If you guys have been watching me for a while, then you know that I just reviewed the LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation. Ever since I tried that foundation and tried it out, and it's super inexpensive, that has been my new go-to. It's super natural, super skin-like, but right now that shade that I have is too light. That's usually my winter shade, so I can't use that. So from last summer, I have these 3 tannish shades. This is so hard. I feel like none of these are my shade. I think this is the closest one to what I look like right now. It's definitely not my foundation shade, but I'm just gonna show you just so you know how I do this. I'm literally gonna put a little bit on there, a little bit. Like, it's just to cover these areas. I don't do this step all the time. I literally only do it if I have a few breakouts, and if I do, it's always on my jawline or my chin. The foundation is a little close, not really, but it's okay because we're just gonna bronze up our face anyway, so that's fine. So that's what I do. So if you do have a few breakouts or a little bit of redness, you could just do that. I would recommend using a foundation that is very natural, has a natural finish. Yes, you want to cover the breakouts, but you don't want it to be super noticeable from your skin, you know what I mean? Like you still want your skin to peek through a little bit. So I definitely recommend a foundation. If you want to use a concealer, you can do that, but I just feel like a concealer is very noticeable. So after that, I go straight into doing my brows. I'm going to be using the ColourPop Clear brow Bosch gel. Wow, that's a lot. All I do is flick them upwards with some clear gel. It's gonna look super crazy. My eyebrows look really crazy right now, but I'm really into the fluffy brow. I don't know, I'm not hating it. My eyebrows have grown a lot. I am using a lash and brow serum that has been working tremendously. So here is an update of what my brows look like after that video. I still am using the product, so if you guys have not watched that video, I will link it down below so you guys can see the difference. So after it's getting a little tacky, I guess you could say, I literally just brush it all together. So it's up but like together. Does that make sense? It's not like looking crazy. It's basically a little hack on how to get like lamination brows without actually getting them laminated. It just keeps them kind of intact in a way. Now I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild Color Icon bronzer in the shade Palm Beach Ready. This is $3 and it is amazing. This is what I use as a bronzer. So here, this has a good amount of fallout just because it is very shimmery, which is basically the glow part, but I literally put it right below my cheek, and if not, a little bit on top of my cheek. Just go with a very light hand because you could get it really dark if you go in. So right now I feel like I'm very bronzed, so I really wouldn't go in with a blush. Today I'm going to go in with a blush just to show you. Usually when I have a tan, I like to go with more like orangey peachy blushes instead of the pinky or red. So I'm going to go in with my Holmes Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio. It comes in with 3 different shades, so I'm going to use Scorcher. It's more a shimmery blush than an actual just matte blush, so a little bit goes a long way. The highlight is super important. I've had this since, oh my god, I don't even know, but so many years. It came like this. It's from Physiciansformula, and it's the Glow Boosting Press Shimmer Bronzer from light to medium. This is a great alternative if you want to achieve this look and you feel like you don't have a highlight that would match. I definitely recommend this one. It is so pretty. It's super blendable. It's super buttery. Like, a little bit goes a long way. I'm obsessed. And now with the highlight, I don't like kind of swipe. I kind of just tap. So you see how this one is like bang, like it's super like in your face, it's like super blinding, and this one is a lot less like that. It's still super glowy, but it's so natural. I freaking love that one. I wish they made another one. They're both the same company though. It's both Physiciansformula. I just, oh my god, I love this one. But I'm gonna match them, so I'm gonna put a little bit more of this one on this side just to get them to match. So if at any point you put a little bit too much highlight and it's a little too much, because obviously you can make it look chalky as well, you want it to be as seamless and natural as possible. So I recommend getting your setting powder brush with no product on there and just kind of wipe. There you go. See? That's it. That's it. Just wipe. And honestly, doing that, and especially when it's big like this, I feel like it basically like presses the product in there so it just seems more skin-like, but that's it. Yeah, that's it. It just, oh my god, I love this routine. I love this routine so much. So after that, I went in with my Too Faced Damn Girl mascara. Like I said, whatever mascara you use is fine. There is no specific one. And then I also went in with my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color Milk. And I put that right in my waterline just because I have really dark eyes. So I'm all for whatever makes my eyes appear lighter. Sometimes I use this, sometimes I don't. And honestly, just depends on how I feel. And then I just finished the look off with a lip gloss, but today I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. tinted lip oil in the shade Nude Kiss. Honestly, I feel like I like tinted lip oils more than lip gloss. It's literally almost the same shade as my natural lips. So like I said, this makeup routine is a no makeup routine. You want to make it seem so skin-like that when people look at you, they're like, oh my god, your skin is amazing. And honestly, your skin is amazing because your skin is basically the highlight of this makeup routine. All right, guys, this is the final look. Like I said, every product that I use is drugstore, so it is affordable. This makeup routine also allows your skin to breathe because you're not really clogging your pores up with the foundation, with the concealer, with the setting powder. It looks so natural, has such a seamless finish, and it's super skin-like. I'm obsessed. Like, it took me a while to find a makeup routine that would be my go-to, and to find one it just feels so good. So I'm so happy that I got to share it with you guys and share my secrets. My skincare routine videos are on its way, so if you guys have not subscribed, you definitely want to do so you don't miss out on that video. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys try it out, and if you do, definitely tag me on Instagram. Like I said, it will be in the description box below. I think that's all I had to share with you guys for now, so I will see you guys in my next video.